In 4, and then in lane number 2, the Turks and Caicos Islands.
Their great hero, Delano Williams, World Junior 200 champion in 2012.
On your marks.
Final of the under-20 girls 4x400. The 400 hurdles champion, Safia Hines, leading off the Jamaicans. Turks and Caicos on the inside.
Set.
Final girls event of Carifta 49 here in Kingston, Jamaica, the 4x400. Very good start for the British Virgin Islands. They have Akrisa Ariste on the opening leg. Outstanding competitor Ariste, a 400 silver medalist at the under-17 level in 2019. But the Jamaican Safia Hines comes right up to her, the 400 hurdles champion, and they go to battle.
Has been in great form this season. Hines comes past the BVI and hits into the straight through the lead. A fight back for Ariste in the blue and the red.
The British Virgin Islands athlete Akrisa Ariste responds and powers away from Safia Hines and gives the Bermudans the lead. And gives the British Virgin Islands the lead, sorry. Jamaica in second position. The rest left well back. Bermuda, down the back stretch they go.
Anika Mackenough chasing for Jamaica, and the BVI put the pedal to the metal here on the second leg.
BVI and Jamaica. The Jamaicans with Mackenough under pressure though. This is a strong leg for the BVI, but Mackenough edges ahead for the Jamaicans and moves further away in the closing stages. The Jamaicans have Shaquille Green, 400 hurdles medalist on this leg.
Mackenough 52-4 pulled Jamaica's fat out of the fire with a determined second leg.
Green pumping down the backstretch. British Virgin Islands back in second position. No Kelly, the 400 champion for the Jamaicans, remember. And so they have an 800 runner on the anchor leg. But it's a big lead that she will have. And it will take something special to catch her. Shaquille Green produces a fine penultimate leg in the under-20 girls 4x4. And now Roshana Dwyer has the baton. She gets a chance to leave Carifta in a blaze of relay glory.
55-6 for Green on the third leg. Dwyer comfortable on the backstretch.
A little bit of redemption, you can say, Hubert, trying to get this goal, trying to get this medal, because one was denied her earlier.
Roshana Dwyer for Jamaica. British Virgin Islands well beaten now. They're way back in second position. Bermuda, I think, in third. Dwyer turns for home. Glances back. But she's well clear. Roshana Dwyer closes her Carifta career in relay glory. A golden moment, 3:31.85 on the clock.
3:36.9,
yeah, no
54
way.
flat for Roshana Dwyer to close out her Carifta campaign.
No way that was 3:31. Clock stopped early. There is confirmation. The Jamaicans strike gold. 7 out of 7 in the relays for the black, green and gold. The Bahamians coming across the line.
The women's under 24 by 400 meters relay at the 2021 Carifta Games turned into a thrilling showcase of athletic talent, once more confirming Jamaica's reign in regional track and field. Hosted in Kingston, the event featured determined challengers, but in the end the Jamaican squad delivered a flawless display, storming to the gold medal. The finalists lined up with Trinidad and Tobago starting in lane 8, the Bahamas in 6, the British Virgin Islands, BVI, in 5, Jamaica in 4, and the Turks and Caicos Islands in 2. From the opening gun, the BVI athletes signaled their intent to disrupt Jamaica's dominance. Their starter, Akrisa Ariste, who had previously earned silver in the 400 meters at the under 17 level in 2019, exploded out of the blocks and built an early lead through sheer speed and grit. Yet Jamaica's own starter, Safia Hines, the reigning 400-meter hurdles champion, answered with authority, erasing the deficit and moving in front before the first baton change. The duel grew fiercer on the second leg. The BVI pressed forward with aggression, but Jamaica's Anna Makov refused to buckle under the pressure. She measured her effort perfectly, reeling in her rival and reclaiming control while extending the margin. On the third exchange, Shaquille Green, another hurdles medalist, ran with commanding power, pulling Jamaica even further ahead. With the race effectively broken open, the baton handoff to the anchor leg signaled the final act. Closing duties fell to Nokia Kelly, an experienced quarter-miler with a reputation for composure under pressure. Kelly surged smoothly around the track, maintaining a clear advantage as the BVI and Bermuda fought desperately behind her for the minor medals. In the home stretch, the outcome was inevitable. Kelly stormed across the line in 3 minutes and 36.81 seconds, sealing yet another Carifta title for Jamaica and underlining their stranglehold on the event. Jamaica's supremacy at the Carifta Games is hardly new. For decades, the island has been a conveyor belt of sprinting talent, producing names that dominate world championships and Olympic Games alike. Analysts point to a blend of factors: rigorous training regimens, an ingrained cultural passion for athletics, and even the folklore of Jamaican food and lifestyle. Regardless of theories, the truth is undeniable. Success is born from relentless dedication, countless hours of discipline, and a burning competitive spirit. The horizon looks equally promising, as iconic figures like Shelley and Fraser Price near the twilight of their careers. A new crop of rising stars is ready to inherit the spotlight. With the right coaching and focus, this generation is poised to extend Jamaica's golden legacy well into the future. The 2025 season adds even more excitement, with early competitions already setting the stage for fierce global battles. Fans and experts alike are eager to witness how these emerging athletes will fare against international rivals. If history is any guide, Jamaica's relay squads will continue to be formidable, carrying both expectation and tradition with them. For track enthusiasts following this journey, every meet offers another glimpse into Jamaica's evolving dominance. With major championships looming, all eyes will remain fixed on the island nation. The 2021 Carifta Games served as yet another reminder of their extraordinary depth and consistency, and it seems inevitable that many more triumphs are waiting just ahead.